crawls on the map are finally back on the road again.
Can you believe it has been 5 months that we have been stationary and not moving? Crazy. So the reason it has taken so long, we were visiting family over the holidays, so we were planning to be stationary for a little bit then, but we also had to get some work done on our camper, and that was just a mess. We will have a full video going through the whole process because it was a wild ride. But for short story, we had to get our axles replaced, and we were back and forth with the warranty team with our camper manufacturer to try to get some bigger axles, because this is the second time in a year that we have had to replace the axles. Finally got the approval after several months to move forward and get some bigger axles, and then the dealership ordered and installed the wrong ones, so we were delayed even more. But we are fixed up, we are rolling again, and so far so good. So
it's been a smooth ride the last day or two, but yeah, that was a big debacle with the dealerships. That was a big headache and something that was oversight that should not have been in the grand scheme of things. So yeah, really aggravating, but it's all worked out and we're back on the road finally.
Finally. So we had to change our travel plans a little bit because we got delayed so much, but we are headed down to Florida now for some exciting things, and then we're headed out west. We will spend the spring in the desert in Utah and Arizona, and then summer in the Pacific Northwest. So make sure you're following along to see our journey and where it takes us, because we got lots of fun stuff coming.
That's right, a lot of exciting things. We're excited to be on the road again and moving south and then west.
Yep.
This is the Western Lakes off of Route 30A in Florida. It's a very pretty area. It's got some natural moss in the trees and just some really awesome wetlands that you can see here, with some expensive neighborhood on the other side, which is also interesting. But it's got great access with biking trails and walking trails and all of that to give it a good feature here. So all the residents in this local area have a nice walking bridge that they can bike on and enjoy.
Harper, how did you enjoy your time in Florida? Are you excited to be in the desert? Okay, good talk. Well, we are leaving Florida today after several beautiful days enjoying the Panhandle and the nice beaches and cute little towns and lots of sunshine. But it is time for us to move on to our next stops and keep moving.
Yeah, we are excited. We are headed west. We are going to northern Texas, back to our home state, and getting cruise on through there, and then eventually out to Arizona where we'll be doing one of our bucket list hikes. So that's exciting, and we're looking forward to that, getting to move on out west.
Yeah, so can't wait to share more about that. And then we will be making a few stops along the way as we make our way out there, but we'll have some long travel days and lots of time in the car. Our timeline got a little scrunched up because of our axle trouble, so we're making some treks, but we are trying to enjoy the views and make our way out west.
Stay tuned, it's going to be exciting.